Assuming you're searching for step-in cost expectations figure for 2024, 2024, 2025, 2030 and need to know where the costs of step-in GMT will go from here on out. We will investigate the previous costs of step-in GMT and will figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities. Kindly remember that you want to take this forecast and each and every expectation with the goal that this is just the idea of some market master examiners. Also, anticipating something so wonderful is totally inconceivable. However, we will make an honest effort. We should begin. As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of step-in is $0.2725 and GMT is presently positioned #127 in the whole crypto biological system. The dissemination supply of step-in is 1,367,824,719 with a market cap of $372,740,490. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has been diminished by 0.05% in its ongoing worth. Assuming we analyze the ongoing business sector cap of the GMT with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap is likewise down. step-in is confronting a difficult time jumping aboard with other crypto coins. The GMT is down to nearly 7.12% over the most recent 7 days. The coin is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining portions for recent days. The coin could areas of strength for have yet. We don't feel that it would a productive resource in present moment. Look at the market capitalization of step-in and other top digital currencies with our natural instrument. Perceive how the all-out worth of every digital money is circling supply piles facing others, and gain experiences into the market elements. Select 2 digital forms of money to analyze their market cap and envision the outcomes. step-in Benefit Mini Computer is a free device that permits you to quickly assess the presentation of your GMT property by working out possible benefits and misfortunes in view of fluctuating business sector costs. Just enter the sum you have contributed, the purchasing cost, and the sell value, expense, and our GMT adding machine will wrap up. We anticipate future step-in cost expectations and conjecture by applying profound man-made consciousness helped specialized investigation on the past value information of step-in. We give our altogether greatest authentic information for the GMT coin, which incorporate different boundaries like past value, step-in market cap, step-in volume, and barely any more. On the off chance that you are hoping to put resources into computerized digital forms of money and need great profit from your speculations, make a point to peruse our expectations. Step-in Value Expectation Rundown. Our step-in long-haul figure for 2050 proposes GMT possibly running somewhere in the range of $254.27 and $300.23. Step-in GMT is gauged to arrive at a typical cost of $0.526 toward the finish of 2025. Continuous information shows step-in is exchanging at $0.2725. Step-in cost figure proposes a chance of GMT exchanging between $3.32 to $4.11 in 2030. The cost of 1 GMT would reach as high as $210.35 by 2040. Step-in Value Forecast 2024. According to the Gauge Cost and Specialized Examination, in 2024 the cost of step-in is anticipated to reach at any rate level of $0.3279. The GMT cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $0.3811 with a typical exchanging cost of $0.3416. Step-in Value Forecast 2025. The cost of step-in is anticipated to reach at any rate level of $0.5089 in 2025. The step-in cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $0.5995 with a typical cost of $0.526 all through 2025. GMT Value Estimate for 2026. The cost of step-in is anticipated to reach at the very least worth of $0.7583 in 2026. The step-in cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $0.8707 with a typical exchanging cost of $0.7793 all through 2026. Step-in GMT Value Expectation 2027. The cost of 1 step-in is supposed to reach at least degree of $1.10 in 2027. The GMT cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $1.30 with the typical cost of $1.14 all through 2027. Step-in Value Expectation 2028. Step-in cost is conjectured to arrive at a least conceivable degree of $1.62 in 2028. According to our discoveries, the GMT cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of $1.99, with a typical conjecture cost of $1.66. STEPN Value Forecast 2029. The cost of STEPN is anticipated to reach at the very least worth of $2.35 in 2029. The STEPN cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $2.74, with a typical exchanging cost of $2.44 all through 2029. STEPN GMT Value Expectation 2030. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of GMT, in 2030 the cost of STEPN is determined to be at around a base worth of $3.32. The STEPN value worth can arrive at a limit of $4.11, with a typical exchanging worth of $3.44 in USD. STEPN Value Figure 2031. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of GMT, in 2031 the cost of STEPN is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $5.11. The GMT cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $5.82, with the typical exchanging cost of $5.25. STEPN GMT Value Expectation 2032. STEPN cost is conjectured to arrive at a most minimal conceivable degree of $7.29 in 2032. According to our discoveries, the GMT cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $8.91, with a typical conjecture cost of $7.55. STEPN Value Expectation 2033. According to the figure and specialized examination, in 2033 the cost of STEPN is supposed to reach at least value worth of $10.91. The GMT cost can arrive at a greatest value worth of $12.84, with a typical worth of $11.29. STEPN Value Gauge 2040. Long-haul forecast ought to be drawn nearer with alert because of the inborn vulnerabilities in the cryptographic money market. Broadening and remaining informed about the most recent improvements are key procedures for overseeing chances related with long-haul crypto ventures. According to our GMT cost forecast, the year 2040 can end with a most extreme cost of $210.35, while the base value worth of a STEPN can be around $170.16, with the coin exchanging at a typical cost of $184.61 approximately. GMT Value Gauge for 2050. Analyzing authentic execution gives setting, yet it is critical to perceive that previous presentation isn't demonstrative of future outcomes. According to the figure and specialized examination, in 2050 the cost of STEPN is supposed to reach at the very least value worth of $254.27. The GMT cost can arrive at a greatest value worth of $300.23, with the typical worth of $266.58. STEPN Value Figure Facts. What amount will STEPN be worth in 5 years? In 5 years, STEPN will have a base cost of $1.99 and a most